Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and doing great in your studies also. So tomorrow is 13 June 2021 and tomorrow is Sunday and here is tomorrow's to-do list. It is a bit different from other days because on Sunday I practice some different topics. So for prelims it is same, I will practice my weak topics plus speed test of maths. Don't leave it ever because in speed test our calculation improves and it eventually affects our speed in the real exam. So don't ever skip it for one day. Okay. And for practice weak topics, you can practice your weak topics in prelims mocks which you find after analyzing. Then for mains, I will revise weekly current affair question and answer of this week from Affairs Cloud and April banking awareness quiz. As yesterday we read April banking awareness PDF from Affairs Cloud. So tomorrow I will give the quiz of banking awareness PDF, okay, and weekly current affair quiz also. Then I will read computer awareness PDF. For computer awareness PDF, you can just search on Google and you will find many PDFs. You can go for any, otherwise you can go for some videos also. Then banking awareness PDF is there, okay. Then tomorrow is a bit different. Tomorrow I will practice RRB BO prelims PDF, and for this PDF I will follow Guidely PDF bundle. As in Guidely PDF bundle, it is available for RRB PO prelims and mains both, as we are preparing simultaneously for all the exams. So we have to focus on each exam as the prelims pattern of RRB and SBI is different. So we should focus on RRB also. So tomorrow I will practice this RRB PO prelims PDF. This PDF includes questions based on prelims and for mains also, okay. And in Guidely PDF course you will find 17,000 plus practice questions. So you can think that there are ample amount of questions. Plus one more thing is that these PDFs are bilingual, and if you have any doubt then they have video solutions also, okay. And the content is of exam level, like the questions are of exam level, so you won't be disappointed with this PDF course. The link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount also. So that's all for tomorrow, okay. Try to finish it. I will also try, and just try to give your 100%. And one more thing is that these days I am not able to complete these targets because my PET is near, as I gave the Delhi police examination. So the PET date has been announced. So I am kind of worried about that because I am not able to clear it, but I am more focusing on banking exams. So I just wanted to share it with you. So thank you and have a nice day.